Hey there, Jason Wood with the Gutter Guard Expert. In today's video, we're going to be answering one of the most common questions that we ever get, and that is, what is the best gutter guard out there for pine needles? We're going to look at several of the most popular designs that are out there to determine which one is best. Let's get started. Okay, we're out back and we've got probably our 8 most popular designs of gutter guards that are out there. We have our traditional kind of reverse curve system, which is going to be like your gutter helmets or leaf guard styles. We have the screens, perforated, like a sponge or a foam that you see at Home Depot. We got your classic DIY plastic gutter guard. We have a frameless micro mesh that you can get at like Amazon or Costco. We've got leaf filter, and then we've got the 2.0 Pro. And so we're going to take these through 3 separate rounds, and we're going to test different things. We're going to test the water, we're going to test how they keep out pine needles, and then we're going to do kind of an overall assessment and narrow it down to the best gutter guard for pine needles. So let's jump into the water test. Okay, so round number 1 is going to be our water test. Here we go. Okay, so after round number 1, which is our water test, and the water test is the most important test with any type of a gutter guard, because a gutter guard is really just to help your gutters do what they are supposed to do, which is get water away from the house. So if they fail in that category, that's pretty bad. So failures we had on the first round was our reverse curve, our perforated system, the sponge, and everything else actually performed pretty good. So now we're gonna go to round number 2, which is gonna be our pine needle test, seeing if these systems can actually keep out pine needles. So let's see how they do. So the thing that we're gonna test here is, can the system actually keep out debris? Basically, are the openings small enough to even keep out a pine needle? And we're dealing with this type of pine needle here, but I know that there's all sorts of different types, but this type should represent most pine needles. So over here with our reverse curve, obviously debris is still getting in, and I think even from the water test you could tell that it was getting in too, so fail. Your screen style, obviously the pine needle still gets in. That also fails. Your perforated systems didn't do a great job at keeping out the water, does a better job at keeping out debris, but as you can see, pine needles are still able to get into a perforated system as well, and it didn't do a good job with the water. The sponge actually, ironically, does a pretty good job keeping out debris. The pitfall with these sponges is going to be all of this organic material from the roof will eventually clog this filter. Your plastic Home Depot styles, obviously stuff is still getting in here. Your do-it-yourself kind of micro mesh. The thing about it is a pine needle will actually still stick into this. It won't get actually into the gutter, but you will actually have pine needles sticking into that. The leaf filter does a really good job, and then the 2.0 Pro, also a good job. So after 2 tests, the 2 most important tests with any type of a product is capturing water and keeping out debris. Those are the 2 things a gutter guard has to do. And if we're being honest with ourselves, I think we'd have to say that the curve system failed to keep out pine needles and also capture water. Our screen system did a little bit better capturing the water, but also did a bad job at keeping out the pine needles. Perforated systems, they do a better job keeping out debris, but as you can see with the perforated system, it fails on the most critical job, which is capturing water. The sponges, it's gonna eventually fail on you anyway, not the best choice. Your DIY plastic systems, debris is still getting in, and then it's also plastic, so this is gonna break down on you. Definitely not a long-term solution for the pine needles. And so if we're really being honest, I think we have 3 finalists here. I think we have your do-it-yourself micro mesh, your leaf filter, and your 2.0 Pro. So let's go to the final round. So once a gutter guard's been able to capture water and keep out the pine needles, the last 2 things that you need it to do is be able to reduce maintenance, and then also you want a system that's really built to last. So you only have to do this one time. And so let's see how all 3 systems do. So with this kind of do-it-yourself Costco, Amazon type of system, what you'll find is that it has this little trough right at the front edge of the gutter guard. And what tends to happen with this system over time is that it does a good job keeping out debris, but eventually debris starts to build up behind this little step, and you'll have to get up here and keep this clean. Even actually through doing this demonstration, I've had to actually try to clean this off a few times, and the mesh is a little bit more porous, and so it's actually even a little bit more difficult to clean than, say, like the leaf filter or the 2.0 Pro. The leaf filter, it actually has a lot better construction. It has at least framework underneath it. The thing that I don't love about a leaf filter installation is that it tends to sit a little bit flat. And as you can actually see, pine needles even still can get actually stuck in the mesh. So it might not get into the gutter, but it might still get stuck in the mesh. But the problem with leaf filter is it sits flat. And so wind doesn't get in here as easy and keep it clear. The 2.0 Pro is actually designed to install at an angle. So right now, the screen is still wet from our water, test. And so typically with 10 to 15 miles an hour wind, it'll actually, self-clean a little bit easier. But even as we do this test, stuff is staying on, but the angle installation is gonna help. So let's settle this with the quality. So your Costco kind of do-it-yourself system is actually a completely frameless system. So it's literally just a wire screen. If a branch hits this, one of the biggest things that you see with this is a branch will hit it and it'll just concave inside of the gutter and literally just create this huge trough. So from a quality standpoint, I'm going to eliminate this and say we're down to 2 products. So our 2 finalists are going to be leaf filter and the 2.0 Pro. So let's look at the quality of both systems here. So leaf filter, you have a stainless steel microfilter. So that's never going to rust, deteriorate, corrode. Good job on the stainless steel. Where leaf filter falls short is going to be all of the framework of the system, which is all plastic. And so one of the biggest complaints that you see online is this system actually warping over time. And so plastic construction, where the 2.0 Pro, also surgical grade stainless steel on the mesh. Biggest difference is it's going to be all aircraft grade aluminum. So same stuff that they make skyscrapers, satellites, airplanes out of is the same material that this is used from. And so judging everything that we've seen, I would say it brings it down to these 2 finalists, and I will leave it up to you to determine which is the best gutter guard out there for pine needles. Thanks so much for watching.